What's going on, everybody? JR from JR's Cars here. Today I'm catching a flight out to Vegas for work, and the Pontiac Torrent is about to turn 200,000 miles. So sit back, relax, and watch it kick over. Now she's properly broken in. So I'm going to go catch my flight now, and keep an eye on the channel because I do have some more stuff coming up on the Yukon. Finally finishing up the brakes. It's been a little crazy here with the weather and just work and everything. I haven't had a chance to work on it recently. So hopefully I'll get that squared away before the end of the week, and we can go and take it on its maiden voyage and see how everything shakes out. So keep an eye on the channel. I hope everyone's staying safe, and I'll catch you in the next video.